Hi, this is Erin Linda. Welcome to Social Analytic 360. In this video, I will solve your system notice current network is unavailable issues on your mobile device. Every day, a number of Mobile Legend users face this system notice current network is unavailable. Check if you have a connection to a failed Wi-Fi or mobile network issues. But solving this problem only needs some handful steps. Here's how you can do this. First, you need to run a troubleshoot on your Android device. Open Setting. Scroll down to Additional Setting on your phone. Scroll down to the Developer option. Please be sure to activate your Developer option on Android. Scroll down. Find Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also check out this always mobile data on, especially if you are using mobile data on your Android. Now move on and check your internet stability. You can open up the browser on your phone and type internet speed. If you still have poor internet connection, open setting again. Scroll down to connection and sharing. Scroll down. Tap reset. Select your SIM card. Now reset it. After fixing your poor internet, follow the final solution. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Tap Manage Apps. Search for Mobile Legend apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Also give Allow to all the other options. Go back. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Tap Restricted Data Usage. Enable all the settings. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the second process, now before you open the Mobile Legend game, please tap on the Google Play Store. Tap Search option. Type Mobile Legend. Now check an update for the app. After following all the troubleshooting process, I believe you'll fix your network problem for Mobile Legends app. For any reason, if you have any problem, comment down below.